Turmeric face mask for glowing skin, secret the whole world should know. Turmeric face mask for glowing skin recipe. Using natural face masks can lead to a glowing skin. We will show you how you can make a turmeric face mask using natural ingredients available in your kitchen. Ingredients you need: 1. Lemon juice. 2. Turmeric powder. How to make turmeric face mask. 1. Add 5 tablespoons of lemon juice in a bowl. 2. Now add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. 3. Now mix this well. How to apply. Apply it on your face and neck evenly like a mask, let it dry. You can either scrub it off, or you can use warm water to remove the mask. Extra tip, it is recommended to not go out in the direct sunlight for few hours after applying this mask. You can try doing this on the weekends for better results.